Hi friends, this video shows how to install apps and games. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Take right controller, then press Meta button which has Meta logo on it. Press that button. We get this main menu. On this main menu, select Store. Tap on the Store icon. This is the App Store. Here, on top of this App Store, we can see Search field. There we can search for the app and game which we need to install, and below that search field we can see app categories. Below that we can browse this app store, or vertically we can also browse horizontally like this. Let me go to the top, then tap on the search field. I am going to search for an app, then install that app. Let me type YouTube here. Let me type YouTube. So I am going to search for YouTube app, then search, tap here. This is a search result. Here you can see YouTube VR. Tap on YouTube VR. Here we can see the get button. Tap on get button. So now it's downloading and installing YouTube VR app. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. We can open YouTube VR from here. Tap on this open. Let me close it. We have one more option. Tap on this library icon. Here we can see list of apps which we installed. Here we can see the YouTube VR app. Tap on that. So now I am opening that YouTube VR app which I installed. So this is the YouTube VR app. This way we can open installed app. If you want to close, just press Meta button on the controller, then select quit. Done. So this way we can search and install apps and games. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.